Okay, now it's recording. Okay, I washed my hands again for like the 30th time. This is an in-depth tutorial how I do my crazy eyeshadow looks for Instagram, or basically any hardcore drastic, can you see me move down? I moved my chair down. Any hardcore drastic, smoky, intense look. Okay, that's what I'm gonna call it for right now. I decided I was gonna do a black smoky eye with like green eyeliner, like graphic liner over it. And that's basically it. The rest is like foundation, and then maybe I'll do a lipstick, but I should grab what I'm gonna use first. So I'm gonna use two palettes. Everyone has the Jaclyn Hill palette, right? I think. And I'm gonna be using this matte lashes. They're a small brand, and I tag them all the time, and they don't care. Neon liner. Okay, get your words in, Lynn. So Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I'm gonna be going in with the Blow and Smoke palette by ColourPop. My face is not moisturized at all. It's honestly quite dirty. I'm gonna wash this off anyways, but I'd suggest if you're gonna wear this, wash your face, whatever. So I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, and face makeup will be last. I don't know if I've done a black smoky eye on this channel before, but so I got this mini Got To Be. It's actually holding my hair together right now. So I'm just gonna, coat that through my eyebrows. They need to be done really badly, but we're gonna ignore that. I'm sure yours are the same way. You can use any gel, soap, eyebrow gel, like a normal person. So I'm gonna do one eye on camera, and I'm gonna just clean around because there's a gel. I'm assuming a lot of you know things if you watch like other makeup gurus, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail. This is just my version of it. They should feel dry once they're dry. For my base, I like to use concealer like everyone else. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, the satin finish. I am the shade Light Sand. That's if you want a brighter look. It really brightens the eyes for me. So I use a generous amount. This one I'm using here is a Morphe M124. I really enjoy Morphe's brushes because they're affordable and very high quality. So I just do it messily, and then I'm going in with, this is also Morphe E21. I'll leave the singing to my boyfriend. Hopefully you guys can like use this for something, I don't know, Halloween-y. I know coronavirus is still around, so please don't go to any parties. Goodness gracious. Do this for yourself at home. Watch a movie, I don't know. Be normal, don't go to a party right now. So Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna honestly just stay in the neutral ranges here. So I'm taking my favorite blending brush of all time is the Morphe M504. Morphe M504, say that 5 times fast. This light shade, it's called 1, 2, 3, Silk Cream. Basically my skin color, getting in nice and close here. Use the zoom lens. You bought the zoom lens for a reason. This is the most crucial part of your smoky eye look, okay? I've done the worst smoky eyes of my life. So again, layer that underneath. So the name of the game is layering and blending. And don't be afraid to like get into your eyebrows. So I know it doesn't look like much. It's my Maybelline black eyeliner. Take any black eyeliner. I would suggest not liquid. And I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. So start little, and you can always move forward, but you can't, well, you can erase, but it's just more of a hassle. So I'm taking the dark color called Let's Do It. And that's the key to a smoky eye. So I like to keep it literally like on my eyelid like that, okay? So I'm gonna go back and forth here. You're gonna kind of start sweeping in the crease. This is gonna blend out any edges you have. Kind of like that poking and stabbing motion. But be careful with your inner corner because it can get really messy really quick. Like over here, I noticed I missed a spot. I'll just go in and touch it up. This Blow and Smoke palette has a gray in there, so I'm gonna use just a little teensy weensy, tiny whiny bit of that, just to help blend as well. And again, kind of poke and stab, poke and stab, poke and stab. Like you're gonna poke, drag, but slow and short strokes is what's gonna help you here. I know a lot of people always say like, blend windshield wiper motions. I've noticed that can get really messy really quick. So if you work in small sections and you just go little by little, it's gonna be really easy. Starting to get your general shape here, right? Don't do it, pen, don't do it. Taking my Morphe M562, which is a really tiny shadow brush. I'd say it's Chip, I think. Chip or Mocha? No, it's Chip. Blend that right in here. I also suggest getting a little tiny brush like this. This will really help control your motions. And also you can just wipe away any excess you don't like with a makeup wipe. Honestly, I'd say smoky eyes are pretty easy. If you don't follow me on Instagram, another shameless plug, but I've been doing makeup looks for Halloween, just like costume ideas I wanted to do. Tomorrow, it'll be up already, but tomorrow I'm doing Polly Pocket, and I'm really excited. Victor thought of that idea for me. I like using a big mirror and just going from different angles and saying like, okay, over here from this side it looks good, from this side it looks whack, you know? So obviously I need some more right here, right? To balance it out, because it's a little winged out, which is cool, I like it. But I think it still needs some little tiny bit more here. Mocha chip or something, I don't know. I forget what it's called, the one next to chip. The bigger blending brush, this one right here. And take that other color that we used in the beginning and start to just diffuse the edges per usual. And you'll notice over time your black eyeshadow will kind of just fade away, and you can go ahead and add some more and really press it in. If you notice you have some patchiness, just go in with a really big blending brush and just go over it lightly. And now you can use like those windshield wiper motions. So I finished both eyes. Honestly, this eye looks better than this eye, but I'm gonna try to fix it right now. Okay, if you're having this issue like I have here where it just looks a little patchy, just take this brush, the medium brush you had, and go back and forth. Hold on. That's unsanitary, don't do that. If anything, you could pick up some of that gray shade. And you always want to make sure you can open your eyes and it looks nice too. Or any white shadow you have, and put it right under the brow bone, and then you could just tap it and it really lifts the eye, I feel. So this is just a water activated liner. So you're just gonna dip your brush into the thing. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I'm gonna do some graphic liner and try my best to explain and not get in the way of the camera like I love to do. I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna trace the outside and create like a little wing. You see this? Okay. Take your time. You can make it thin at first and always make it thicker, and you want to open your eye as well, and then just connect it from this line going up. Alright, now that you got like the basic shape, you can definitely go over it. I like to use a little mirror, by the way. You can definitely see, especially if you have bad eyes like me. I think I'm gonna go in with my white eyeliner from NYX. This one, try your best to make it thinner, just so it can be like an outline, like a highlighter type of a thing. I'm using the NYX Blanc white liner. I find it to be the most opaque white liner. So that's what you should have so far. Before you add the white liner, make sure it dries. I also have gotten the question before, like, how do you make them even? And I don't. And no one has ever clocked me for it, so really makeup is art. Do the best you can. So this is the eye look so far. Pretty intense, and we're gonna make it more intense by adding 25mm lashes. Boom! I got these on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I tried them on my mom and she hated them. Don't focus on Albert. Thank you. So truthfully, you don't have to put mascara on. You could, but these lashes are gonna cover your whole eye anyways, and pop them right in. My eye is already so irritated just because allergies, and we're about to make them much more irritated. It's okay though. And just so you know, like, it is my allergies, like, I promise you. Look at this. Do you see my eye? It's on fire. She's come to Millhouse. Also, I have a crush on Lil Yachty, and I'm saying that because he did a rap to The Simpsons and it was really cool. But I'm gonna do my foundation really fast. Just something quick, some e.l.f. putty primer. I'm only using this because I bought it. I thought it would make a difference in my makeup, but really I can't tell. But if you're a primer girl, then get it. Foundation, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible. And then I'm taking my Physicians Formula butter bronzer, but a lot, just so I can look closer to my neck. A little bit of concealer because I totally forgot. Just like directly under my eye. And then quickly set that with ColourPop's No Filter Powder in Peach Baby. And I like to press that in hella. You know the drill, in 2020 we added a lot of blush. We like replaced the highlighter with blush, and then we just add. Remember when we used to add like a lot of highlighter and it was like cute. Setting spray. I'm just gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. I don't really like adding eyeshadow or really anything, but since I have like a lash on. Okay, fuck, now lipstick. I'm getting my black lipstick, oh my gosh. This is my Kat Von D Beauty lipstick of when Just Freestar like dogged on her. Yeah, I got it at TJ Maxx, but it was worth it. I kind of really overlined my bottom lip by accident. Oh, that's my cute goth Halloween makeup look. And I gotta go. Make sure to follow me on my social medias. Love you so much. My lipstick looks bad, but bye.